Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz. I want to thank you for being here for this video. In this video, I want to continue our discussion about if you have made a decision to navigate away from Act CRM, what are some of the things you need to consider and how do you get some of your old information out of Act? Act is now a subscription service, and I can appreciate when you're retiring or as you age out of your business, or if you've just decided Act is too expensive for whatever reason to keep on an annual basis, how do you keep all your information? So creating a scenario, let's say you were an Act user or an Act subscriber and you've just decided you can't afford it anymore. Well, what do? Well, in previous tutorials, I showed you how to export all your contact information, your field information. In another tutorial, I showed you how to export all your notes and histories for all your contacts and save it as a PDF file. But in this tutorial, I want to show you two ways that you can potentially export or save your activities, things that have happened in the past or things that were scheduled for the future. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go up and click on Reports, and I want to draw your attention right here to where it says Activities. And when I click on Activities, you can create an activity report either for all contacts, the current contact, or the lookup. I'm going to click all contacts. In this database, there's 203 people. On activity, I'm going to click on this, and I have different kinds of activities: calls, meetings, to-dos, and custom. I want to see all of them. I don't want to see just today and the future. I want to see all items. Now, I'm going to tell you in advance that I actually ran this report before I started doing this video. This report was 417 pages. It surprised me at its length, but it's just the way this report is designed. It's very long. So the trick here is once you do that report and generate it, the next step is to go File, Print, and save it as a PDF. Now, if you watch my previous tutorial, you will see how to do that, on how to work with notes and histories. I showed you there how to save it as a PDF. I'm not going to do that here because I want to show you a second way you can also save some of this information. So I do recommend you print this report, save it as a PDF. Now, I'm going to move away from this a minute. I'm going to click Cancel. And these reports, because they're lengthy, you might think Act is not doing anything or it might have frozen. Just give it a little bit of time and that report will get generated. But let's talk about an alternative way to keep track of the things you've done or scheduled. So when you schedule things, it's on your calendar and it's also on your task list. I'm going to come over to the left and click on Task List, and these are all my tasks. Now you can filter these tasks in a number of ways. If you have a database that had many users, you can click on Select Users and make sure you select all users versus a selected user, which might just be yourself. But I'm going to go All User. I'm going to click OK. Another thing I'd want you to do is over here under Options, click on this and make sure you show the cleared items, things that were on your calendar that you cleared off. So I want to draw your attention down here on the bottom left. We see there's 318 activities, 7 calls, 225 meetings, 13 to-dos, and 73 custom activities. I'm going to click on Show Cleared, and the number I want you to remember is 318. When I click on Show Cleared, now it jumped up to 362. You'll see some of these items have a line through that. Now, what I want you to do next is this. I want you to come over, I'm sorry, I misspoke. I want you to come up top, click on this little 2 columns, and I want you to click on Customize Columns. When this pops up, I want you to take all these items right here, click on the double arrows and shoot them over to the right, and then click OK. Now, I might have given you a lot more information than you actually needed, but the reason I did that is because the next step is to take all of this information and export it out to Excel. So I'm going to come up top. I'm going to click on Export Current List to Excel. You'll see this little paper icon with an X in it. I'm going to click on that. And now it's going to take all this information and export it out to Excel. I'd rather you have too much information in Excel that you can work with or deal with than not enough. So I'm sending everything out there. So in my previous tutorials, we gave you the notes and the history as a PDF. In this, we gave you the activities as a PDF, and we also are giving you the activities, past, present, future, everything, cleared and uncleared, in an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to go down to the bottom of the page. You'll see Excel is blinking because it wasn't open. I'm going to maximize this. And when I do this, I see all the information in here. If I scroll over to the right, we're going to see more. If I do Control and END, it's going to go to the last item. There's 363 items in here. Here's a complete record of everything that has occurred in your database that was scheduled, both the cleared and uncleared items. So if you have to leave ACT, and I don't want you to go, but I can appreciate that that's a consideration, these are some of the steps you can do. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. I wish I could give you everything in one place, but it's not really something that can be done easily. So this is just a little bit of backup to help you make that decision, make that transition. As always, there are some alternatives for you with ACT, but I can appreciate your position. Everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye now.